Today we talk about how can you select or how can you get premium on your app, on your School Planner app. So all you have to do, so you click here on your app, your School Planner app, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, you just go above this sign, you click on it here. So then it's going to show for you list like this here. Click here on settings. Then you come to settings list here. Then all you have to do, you just go down. So you keep going down. Click here on premium here. Click on it. So when you just click on it, it's going to show for you list like this here. So then here you select if you want to add here monthly or yearly here or lifetime. So then you click here on continue here, then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like